Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka aria he wira ni thirikari ya ihinda riri monekana ta manjia kuingiria guoya ni undu wa ndeto ino ya mwanake uyu uroragirwo ni maabitha borithi Albert Omondi Ojwang. Bonface Mwangi ni ageria gutariria muingi kiria kiracungiriirie Ojwang gukorwo akiuragwo. No before turore statement iyo ya Bonface Mwangi, etikira gukorwo giturn on your notification na gusubscribe niguo hingo ciothe twa post video ugakoragwo uri wa mbere gukinyirwo. Bloggers za thirikari ni monekana live ta maingiria heho and scared of what might happen kumana na injustice ino to Albert Omondi Ojwang, kuona maundu no makorwo magicenjia o rimwe na Kenyans maingire in the streets gwetha kihoto kia Albert, kuona gikuo giki ni kuongerera kironda cumbi tondu ihoto cia Akenya. Gen Zs aria mioyo yao yaninirwo kuhitukira maandamano ma mwaka muhituku ihoto itiri cionekana. Bloggers za thirikari monekana gutegera na kuingiria guoya kuria makoro magithaitha na kuhoreria muingi. Mundu ta Pauline Njoroge akorwo akigeria kurunga Karen Nyamu who was careless na miario yake akigeria kuingiria siasa ndeto-ini ino. Karen akugite ati opposition nio responsible for the death of Albert. Pauline akorwo akiingira ihenya na kurunga Karen akimwira ati tayari IG Langat had complained about blogger uyu na agikorwo akira Karen ati maundu mamwe ni metikiritwo ni ruhonge rwa borithi. Nayo Dennis Itumbe akorwo akirekereria ndumiriri ndaihu muno ota iyo ya Pauline akionekana gukorwo agicorrect maundu, but activist Bonface Mwangi onekana guitururira Kenyans uma wa ndeto ino igie kunino kwa Albert Omondi Ojwang, mwalimu and the only child kuri family yake.
Ojwang aliuliwa na polisi. Albert Ojwang alishikwa Homa Bay na polisi wakamchukua kwa nyumba baba yake. He's the only son in that family. He was a teacher. He was a new father to a beautiful baby girl. Akaletwa all the way to Nairobi Central Police Station. Akapigwa na wakamua. Why was he killed? Because alisema kwamba Lled Langat, deputy IG of the police, collects 100 million every month from bribes. Is that true? It could even be more than 100 million. Kwa sababu kila siku vijana ushikwa, uko na bangi, or you are loitering, drunk and disorderly, all manner of offenses. Uongo tu. Vijana ushikwa tao, wherever you are, kwa vijiji wanashikwa, wanatupwa ndani. Kutoka ni 2,000, 3,000. And they do that every single day. The money collected is shared by the OCS, OCPD, county commander, deputy IG, all the way to the president. So the moment Ojwang ali reveal kwamba polisi wanaokota hongo na zilienda all the way to the top, he had to die. He was murdered. Na mwenye amemua ni Ruto, because these people are Ruto appointees. And the money collected, the hundreds of millions of shillings collected by police officers, is shared all the way to State House. Kenyans, we cannot afford to be silent about his killing. Ruto is killing our young people every day. Hii mwezi ni June, which 1 year ago June ilienda kwa barabara. Ruto killed over 60 people in 1 month, and many more were wounded. Not a single killer cop has been arrested. Wale ambao waliua vijana wajashikwa, wajastakiwa, bado tu wako. So lazima tuungane and demand justice for Albert Ojwang and his family. He has left behind a young wife, a 1-month-old baby, and a grieving father and grieving family. He was the only son in that family and was murdered at Central Police Station. Things cannot be normal. Lazima tuzungumze, lazima tuamke. Wherever you are, please raise your voice and demand justice for Albert Ojwang and the many Kenyans that Ruto has killed. Ruto has killed so many young people. Huyu jamaa kiamuka anaua tu. Kama Aibi anaua, kama Zururi anaua. We cannot allow to be led by a murderer. So whatever we do, we know that with justice for Albert Ojwang, and Ruto must go. We have to stop being led by a bloody, thirsty killer. Asanteni.